Hi, welcome to another episode of Ryan and Jess Do Things. Bond Villa style. It's Arkansas. It's gonna be hot. Okay, so we cleaned up the backyard here. We're prepping the pad for the tank. We'll meet pad eventually. Once we get this slope figured out, we'll put that in there. Removed all the wood, made it all nice and pretty. Burned underneath it, got rid of all the things, snakes and such. Okay, pad's in, tank's on. We'll hook this up. But it's hot out. It's hot. It's hot. We'll do it tomorrow morning. So the top we're going to be putting in, going from 4 to 3 and reducing it. I thought this would match perfectly, and it does. So we're going to have to bend or break off these tabs to get to that. I'd really like to not break them. I can just bend them in and get that PVC pipe in there. That would work spectacularly. Looks like they're almost designed to do that. So now hold this PVC straight, just like that. So the tabs are actually putting the resistance on there, and so you can get a tight fit. So no light can get through. Might have to take that sticker off, but you get the idea. Essentially, we're all the way in. Alright, so we'll put that back on and then measure out the 4 inch PVC and hook it up, put an elbow in, and we'll be off. We'll be done. Okay, so we got the pipes connected with a little bit of a pitch, and I did not get the right end for underneath the tank. So it's going to be important to get that all installed before there's pressure in the tank and you have water loss. So let's do that. Okay, we got it set up just before the big hurricane rain started. So it's not sealed yet, so it's going to leak, but I wanted to test everything out first before we set it all in stone. Take the umbrella here. Woo. So we got the first flush filling up. I can't really show too much. The water's not coming out of the base yet. But I can hear water going into the tank, so I know it's working. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear that on this or not. Yeah, she's flowing in there pretty good. So stage 1 of the rain catchment system is now done enough to collect water, and we're gonna try it and see what we have to level out and such do some minor tweaks to the system once it's been tested, and this week it'll be thoroughly tested with the hurricane. So my name is Ryan with Barn to Villa. If you like this content and you want to know more about self-sufficiency, barn door life, as well as rain catchment, gardening, hunting, fishing, we do a lot of things on this channel. Hit like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.